This is CodeCombat. I'm on lowly Kithman. I'm doing the Python version of the course. If you're doing this as a class, it's the Introduction to Computer Science, Level 16A. Goals: your hero must survive, defeat the ogres, collect the gems. Bonus: no code problems. Alright. So what do we have here? And remember, anything that starts with this hashtag in Python is a comment. That's meant for us to read. The computer skips it. Create a second variable and attack it again. Variables. So our first variable here is enemy1. Just like in math, where x plus 2 can equal 5, and that we know then x equals 3, because what plus 2 equals 5. X then is a variable, okay? X then would be a variable. A variable can change because, watch, x plus 4. Well, now x must be 1. A variable can change, but it's used to represent something else. In code, right now we're using enemy1 to represent this thing. We say hero, look around and find the closest enemy. Whoever that is, whoever's closest, give them their new name. It's enemy1. Now attack that. Enemy1, enemy1. This does not have to be enemy1. Their name could be, I don't know, Sky. Okay? And now I'm going to attack Sky. And attack Sky. And you don't have to put it in quotes if it's a variable you're attacking. Let's hit run. Oh, look. They're now named Sky. Okay? And so what we want to do next is look around again and find someone else. So ground. I know, I'm very creative. Hero dot attack. Nope. I don't want attack. I want find. There we are. And now, when I attack, I use ground, because that's what our hero will be naming. So we can use the variable that we made to represent whoever's closest. So now this is representing, ground represents whoever our hero saw that was closest. Okay? Boom. Oop, and now I need to get the gems. So, let's go down and right maybe? Let's give that a shot. Oh, I need to go right too, I think. And done. Perfect.